Hey, it's Alex Wilson Campbell, and welcome to the Remote Work Life Podcast, the show that shares stories from founders and leaders building location-independent businesses on their own terms. Today's episode focuses on Sahil Lavigna, the founder of Gumroad, a platform built to help creators sell digital products directly to their audiences. Gumroad began in 2011. At just 19 years old, Sahil built the first version over a weekend. The idea came after a frustrating experience trying to sell a digital icon online. Instead of waiting for a solution, he created one himself. Using Python, Google App Engine, and Stripe's beta API, he launched a simple MVP. The response was immediate. Gumroad attracted 50,000 visitors on launch day and soon raised $8.1 million in venture capital from firms like Kleiner Perkins. During its early years, Gumroad followed a typical high-growth startup model. The team scaled quickly, focused on user acquisition, and aimed for a $1 billion valuation. But by 2015, things had shifted. The company's Series B funding round fell through. Sahil made the decision to lay off 75% of the team and move away from the traditional venture capital path. This marked a turning point. From 2015 onward, Gumroad transitioned to a lean, remote-first company. The focus moved from rapid scaling to long-term sustainability and profitability. Office space was eliminated, the team went fully distributed, and the product roadmap was stripped back to its core features. Rather than expanding aggressively, Sahil focused on building a durable business around a simple premise: help creators earn a living with as little friction as possible. Gumroad's business model is built around transaction fees. Creators are charged 5% plus 30 cents per sale, much lower than the fees charged by platforms like Amazon Kindle. This pricing structure makes Gumroad especially attractive for independent creators who want to keep more of what they earn while outsourcing technical tasks like payment processing, hosting, and storefront design. The platform supports key features that align with what Sahil calls the Lavigna equation: tools that save time, help users earn money, or increase happiness. These include customizable storefronts, affiliate tools, pay-what-you-want pricing, and real-time analytics. Gumroad avoids feature bloat and over-engineering, instead opting for incremental improvements that enhance usability without increasing complexity or cost. One of the biggest challenges Sahil faced was balancing scale with simplicity. In the years following the pivot, there was pressure to rebuild the team and chase faster growth. Instead, he remained focused on a smaller team and core functionality. Building a distributed team also presented its own challenges. With staff working across time zones, asynchronous workflows became a necessity. Communication tools like Slack and Notion were key in maintaining alignment and productivity. More importantly, the culture relied on autonomy and mutual trust. And in terms of marketing, Gumroad's early growth came through direct outreach. The team manually contacted thousands of potential users to build the initial base. Once creators started earning money, word of mouth became the main growth engine. There was no reliance on paid advertising. Instead, Sahil focused on authenticity. He wrote publicly about Gumroad's struggles, including a widely read blog post titled "Reflecting on My Failure to Build a $1 billion Company." That kind of transparency helped differentiate the brand and connect with creators disillusioned by the hyper-growth startup model. Gumroad also invested in education, producing content to help creators with pricing, email marketing, and product strategy. These resources reinforce the company's position as a thoughtful, creator-first platform. Over time, Gumroad scaled through partnerships and ecosystem integrations rather than headcount. By integrating with tools like Zapier, MailChimp, and Discord, creators could automate marketing, manage communities, and run their businesses without needing additional tools or developers. These integrations added functionality without increasing overhead. Sahil also introduced a profit-sharing model. Dividends were paid to early employees and investors. aligning incentives around long-term sustainability rather than short-term valuation targets. By 2023, Gumroad reached $11.1 million in annual revenue, supporting over $5 million in monthly earnings for creators. And unlike most high-growth startups, it achieved this with a lean, remote-first team and minimal infrastructure. So when it comes to hiring, Sahil looks for individuals who can operate independently. Experience and credentials matter less than the ability to take initiative and thrive in an autonomous, distributed environment. He values people who are comfortable with ambiguity and can solve meaningful problems without requiring micromanagement. Looking ahead, Gumroad continues to evolve with a creator economy. Recent developments include AI-powered tools to generate product descriptions and assist with customer segmentation. Updates that reflect Sahil's ongoing focus on solving real problems efficiently. His advice to fellow founders is grounded and practical. Solve real problems, charge fair prices, keep costs low, and protect your work-life balance. Gumroad's story is a useful reminder that not every business needs to follow the same script. Profitability and purpose don't have to be mutually exclusive. By keeping operations lean, staying close to users, and maintaining transparency, Sahil built a company that supports creators without compromising its values. Thanks for listening to the Remote Work Life podcast. If you found this episode helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with someone building their own remote-first journey. And be sure to tune in next time for another story from the world of remote work.